Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Leonardo AI username. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have signed up for Leonardo AI and basically just took in the auto-generated username that it gave them. How do you actually go ahead and change your username? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to log into your Leonardo AI account, and on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where it says settings. So once you click on settings, you're going to see a profile tab, a teams tab, and an account management tab. Under your username, you're going to see your current username. So you can change this to whichever username that you want. So maybe we just want to add a number to ours. So we'll add the number 1998 to ours. And with that, the username automatically saves as you change it to a valid username. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your username on Leonardo AI. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.